Very warm greetings to one and all from National Insurance Company Limited. We are pleased to inform that National Insurance Company has recently launched a brand new health product named Arogya Sanjeevani Policy National, keeping in view the modern trends and ease of our customers. Arogya Sanjeevani Policy National is a standard individual indemnity health insurance product which covers hospitalization expenses for inpatient care or daycare treatment. The policy can be issued for a period of 1 year, and the proposer can either opt for an individual basis policy having separate sum insured for each member covered, or floater basis policy having one sum insured to cover all members. The proposer can also avail tax rebate for the premium paid under the policy. This policy can be availed by proposers aged between 18 and 65 years, maximum entry age of any member being 65 years. Family members that can be covered comprise of spouse, dependent and adopted children, parents and parents-in-law. Mid-term inclusion of members is allowed only for newborn child aged between 3 months and 6 months and spouse within 60 days of marriage. This policy is available with sum insured options of Rs 1 lakh to Rs 5 lakh in multiples of Rs 50,000. An increase or decrease in sum insured is allowed only at the time of renewal and to the next slab only, except in the case of mid-term inclusion of a family member. A fresh waiting period begins for the increased sum insured. In case of individual policy, premium for each member depends on the sum insured and age of that member. In case of floater policy, premium depends on sum insured, age of senior-most member and age of other members covered in the policy. Online issuance of new and renewal policies on customer portal offers a discount of 10% on the base premium, provided the policy is with yearly premium payment facility and no intermediary is involved. There is a requirement of pre-policy health checkup for insured aged 55 years and above and availing the policy for the first time with the company. If the proposal is accepted, 50% of the expenses incurred for pre-policy checkup shall be reimbursed. Now to briefly describe the medical expenses the policy covers on hospitalization. It covers room rent charges per day up to 2% of sum insured subject to maximum of Rs 5,000. It covers ICU charges per day up to 5% of sum insured subject to maximum of Rs 10,000. It covers doctors, consultant fees, anesthesia, blood, operating theatre charges, cost of medicines and diagnostics without a sublimit when the room rent charges or ICU charges are also within their respective sublimits. In case the room rent or ICU charges exceed their sublimit, the other expenses incurred are reduced in the same proportion as room charges. Ambulance charges are reimbursed subject to maximum of Rs 2,000, and the policy covers dental treatment or plastic surgery if required due to disease or accident. It provides coverage for all daycare treatments. It covers treatment under Ayush system of medicines. There is a capping on medical expenses for treatment of cataract, which is 25% of sum insured or Rs 40,000, whichever is lower per each eye in one policy year. Pre-hospitalization expenses are covered for 30 days. Post-hospitalization expenses are covered for 60 days. Considering the advent of modern technology in medicine and requirement of customers, 12 modern procedures as listed will be covered by this policy up to 50% of the sum insured. There are 3 broad types of waiting period applicable to the policy. Pre-existing diseases are covered after 48 months of continuous coverage since inception. Waiting period of 30 days from first policy inception date for all illnesses except claims related to an accident, and the specific diseases waiting period in which expenses related to listed treatments or surgeries will be excluded until expiry of 24 months of continuous coverage, and treatment for joint replacement and age-related osteoarthritis is excluded for 48 months. An indicative but not exhaustive list of exclusions are being listed here. There are 16 specific diseases permanently excluded under this policy. These diseases are listed in the policy schedule with their respective ICD codes. This policy also offers good health incentive in the form of cumulative bonus. For every claim-free year, 5% of the sum insured will be added as cumulative bonus to the policy. Consequently, if a claim is reported, 5% of the sum insured will be deducted from the cumulative bonus. Maximum cumulative bonus that can be accumulated is 50% of the sum insured. A unique feature to the policy is the moratorium period, which is the period of 8 years of continuous coverage of this policy from inception. After expiry of this moratorium period, no claim under this policy shall be contestable except for fraud, permanent exclusions, sublimits, and co-payment. Additional features of this policy are co-payment, that is, each and every claim will be subject to co-payment of 5% on the admissible claim amount. This policy provides options of portability and migration. This policy also offers installments facility, where premium for the policy can be paid in installments of monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or yearly basis. For more details, kindly refer to the policy wordings and prospectus of Arogya Sanjeevani Policy National. Thank you.